Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to delete Facebook page. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to go ahead and log in to our Facebook account. Once we are here, we need to make sure that we are on our Facebook page that we intend to delete. Once we are on this part, we're going to click the three lines here and we are going to click settings or the gear icon. Once we are here, we're going to click page settings. And right after that, we're going to scroll down and we are going to look for access and control. Once we are here, we're going to click deactivation and deletion. And right after that, we have here the option if we are going to deactivate or delete the page. We're going to click delete page. And right after that, we're going to click continue. Once we're here, we will be asked as to why we are going to delete our account. So we have here some options. So we are just going to choose at least one. So for this tutorial, I'm going to click I don't feel safe on Facebook. So with that, we will be routed on this part. And if you think that you are not safe, there are questions. Maybe you can block people, or somehow you can also send report for people or profiles that you think that you are not safe. But you can go ahead and click continue then. And right after that, you will be routed on this page wherein you will be reminded that once you will be deleting your Facebook page, all of your data will be deleted as well. So you can go ahead and archive the files that you uploaded on your account. You can go ahead and click this part, and you can also download the information so that you can also store that since you are going to delete your Facebook page. So right after that, we're going to click continue. By this time, you can now type in your password of your Facebook account so that the deletion of your Facebook page will now be successful. So you're going to type that one in, and once everything is settled, you can go ahead and click continue. So there you have it. That's how we are going to delete our Facebook page. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.